In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your day in Google Calendar using color coding and time blocking. To get started, open Google Calendar in Chrome so you can work with a clear, visual layout of your schedule. Using Google Calendar in a browser makes it easy to see your full day, move tasks around, and quickly make updates as you plan. If your calendar already has events on it, that's completely fine. This method works whether you're starting from scratch or improving a schedule you already use. Once you're in Google Calendar, begin by color coding your tasks based on effort level. This is a simple way to tell at a glance how much mental energy a task will require. For example, you might use red for deep focus work, the kind of task that needs concentration and uninterrupted time. You could use green for personal tasks, which helps separate life-related responsibilities from work. The exact colors are up to you, but the key is to stay consistent so your calendar becomes easy to read over time. This approach helps reduce decision fatigue during the day. Instead of constantly asking yourself what to do next, you can look at your calendar and immediately understand what kind of energy each task needs. That makes it easier to plan realistically and avoid stacking too many demanding items back to back. If you know your energy tends to be stronger earlier in the day, save your higher effort colors for those hours whenever possible. After that, group similar tasks together by time blocking your day into distinct morning and afternoon zones. Think of your day as being divided into larger sections, rather than a long list of scattered tasks. In the morning, you might block time for work that requires focus, planning, or problem solving. In the afternoon, you can place tasks that are lighter, more routine, or personal in nature. This creates a rhythm in your day and helps you stay in the same mental mode for longer instead of switching constantly between unrelated activities. Time blocking this way also makes your schedule feel more intentional. Rather than reacting to the day as it happens, you're creating structure ahead of time. That structure can improve focus, reduce distractions,